What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel The Goa Lad. This is your boy Ganesh Narvekar and I'm back here with a new video. And today it's time for another giveaway. Yes, I'm doing another giveaway. It's a pretty interesting giveaway and I'm gonna tell you more about it in a bit. But first, let's get to the shoe that we are gonna talk about, the sneaker today. Only 8 pairs in India. Yes, that's right, only 8 pairs in India. And I managed to get one. I'm super excited to show you all what it is, so let's head there. This is the Alphaedge 4D in this 4D box. That's 4D written on it and the Adidas symbol, the running symbol down there. And let's unbox these bad boys. It's a sliding opening box and you get the wrapping paper out. And boom, this is the first look. Just look at these. These look amazing. Just the way that the white prime knit sits on the 4D sole is absolutely killer. And it's just a colorway you can't go wrong with because it's that mint green with the white. Looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy that I got these because these are super rare. And let's get the other pair out as well. Let's chuck the box. So let's have a closer look at them. This is how they look from the frontal view. You've got a very similar, almost 1.0 kind of prime knit ahead, the way that it is shaped. It's almost like the 1.0. Same on the left shoe. There really isn't much of a change on the other pair. What is interesting on this shoe though is that the forged fiber that's gone on the left, it's absolutely different. I don't have a pair which has forged fiber on it. These lines here, those are the forged fiber. That actually gives it support and stability. You got the Adidas logo at the left as well. And it's the same on this pair as well. So yeah, you've got your forged fiber. Let's have a closer look. And boom. I just can't get over the mint green 4D sole and the white upper. They just go really well. At the back, you've got this black line that goes down the heel, and inside the shoe you've got 4D written, which is really cool. And it's the same with the other pair as well. You've got 4D written. So it's a really good looking shoe. Really happy with them. Resale value is off the charts for these, so I'm so glad I got them. And you've got hits of 3M as well on the back. Let's move out to the outsole. It's an all white outsole which has Continental written on it. So overall this shoe is absolutely clean, goes on every outfit. My first 4D sole, super rare. Adidas uses advanced technologies to make these shoes. That's why they are rare, because each shoe takes a lot of time to make. So that's why they don't mass produce it, and that's why it's such a coveted shoe for many people to have. So really happy I got these. So now that we're done with the review, let's see how they look on feet. So guys, it's time to announce the giveaway that I'm doing. The sneaker that I'm giving away is the one which I did a review on in my last video. It's these bad boys, the Gucci Aces. Here you go, you can have a closer look at them. And yeah, I'm doing a giveaway of these. The only reason why I'm doing a giveaway is because I've got multiple pairs. So I would like you guys to enjoy them as well. And the way to enter this giveaway is really simple. All you gotta do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write your UK size. Yes, that's right. Those are the simple rules of this giveaway. So guys, I'm really glad that I could do a review of the Alphaedge 4D and get them across, since they are so limited and it's the first 4D sole to reach India. So I was really glad that I could do that and get that across to you all. If you all like this video, please do leave a like, do subscribe to the channel, and I shall catch you all soon, and hopefully you all get lucky with the giveaway and you'll win a lot of goodies. So good luck, get going, and peace.